Hi everybody and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your boy Crypto Femi one more time. Back here again. Do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you. And let's get to the chart. Today we would be discussing or we would be looking at Ethereum or ETH, right? Binance is our data source. We are on the weekly time frame. And we like to start our analysis from the top to bottom approach, which means we want to begin from the weekly and down even to lower time frames, right? Because analysis are usually better on bigger time frames, right? If we see this is the ETH USD chart on the weekly time frame, and as we can see, we have been bearish, right, even from the 2nd of May, and we're expecting lower prices. Uh, we had a huge move to the downside on ETH, and now we are seeing some little retracement. So probably we should see more retracement even to the upside before we see some more downward pressure, right? If we put in our indicators, as you can see, we had a dump and some little amount of money is coming into it on the money flow, right? Same thing we could see on our oscillator that we are quite bullish a bit. This is a bullish divergence, but we should expect some sort of downside in the meantime. If we go down to the 3 days time frame, we could see a better analysis of actually what is happening on the ETH chart. And probably that's why we're expecting that Ethereum should come down to the 500 region, as we have a lot of support at that region. But for the meantime, right, we could see Ethereum push up a bit. As you can see, we are holding this support, right? We just went above the support, and we said everywhere where we had this blue tick, that was a liquidity area, or that's the area with a lot of liquidity. So probably we should see it push up a bit, right, even to the EMA rebound. So we could see it at the 1300 level in the next coming few hours, and probably we could even push up even to the 1500 region before we push down. As you can see, every time we push down, we came back, hit the support and push down again, came back, hit support at the top of the EMA rebound or the resistance and push down, and now we are pushing up, so we could get to the top of the EMA rebounds and if possible flip bullish, even though we have a lot of resistance. If we come down even to our indicators to really confirm what's happening, as you can see, more money coming into it. We have a bullish divergence on the oscillator, so probably we should expect even higher prices for Ethereum in the coming few days and hours. If we come down to the lower time frame to have a grasp of what's happening, as you can see, we are pushing into resistance. As you can see, we had our green line drawn even before price pushed down, and we said we have a lot of support at this region, and so we're expecting a pump back to the upside. As you can see, we came back to our support zone, we pumped to the upside, we dumped down again, down even to our support at our green line, and now we are pumping, right? We should see ETH at least come down to at least the $1,280 zone, right? If we can flip that resistance and support, then we probably should see it at the 1,600 range. But for now, we believe it should push up a bit to about 1,278, and we probably could see more downside after that. If we bring up our indicators, as you can see, indicators are still bullish. Our oscillator is bullish. Our money flow is seeing some little amount of money is coming into Ethereum, so probably should expect more upside even to the next resistance at the 1,278, and even probably higher at the $1,328 level. if we come down to lower time frames, even to the 12 hours, to know what's going to happen in the immediate period. As you can see, everything confirming that we are actually at a resistance point, and we probably could see a downside if we push, for any reason, break the current resistance, right, and flip it into support. Then we could see the price of ETH push to about 1350, but we're currently at resistance and probably could see a dump. Let's bring up our indicators. As you can see, our indicators is a bit bullish and a bit bearish, so probably we could see price do one of the two, because we are actually at a crucial point for ETH. As you can see, this is actually a resistance point for ETH, so probably we could see it push down, or probably we could even push a bit down to the 1028. If we played this as support, then we could flip, we could push up even to the 1300 level and see a push down. So be very careful, as we could see a dump or even a small pump and then a dump, but we should be expecting more dump in the price of ETH at the moment. If you like the channel, don't forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you and have a great day.